Morning, guys. Okay, so here we are. We're headed to the market. They have a daily market here. This is one of our good friends. He does framing and such. It's just beautiful. So we're gonna come around the corner, and you're gonna see there's this like little road in the middle of I guess you'd call it a piazza, but forgive the shakiness of my video here. And then you come right around, and then here's your market. So this is pretty much every day. And then we're picking up some special treats for a party we're having. Oh yeah, the dried figs. So you got homemade marmalata, every kind of nut you can imagine. In the Gargano region, most everything is pretty fresh. That's the pagamente. Buongiorno. Sì, molto grazie. Perfetto. She made us a little treat for the party tonight. There's one of the guys cleaning up. Now, hey, you're thinking, hey, I want some cheeses. Oh my gosh. Right? Had like some grains. I don't know. You're hammering it here. Fresh produce. So most people shop, in general, most people shop here for what they're going to make that day or within maybe 2 days. And this is every day. This is literally every day. So this is a weekday. So normally on the weekends, like that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's much bigger. It's usually about double the size. Here you've got every kind of pasta you can think of. Now, some limoncello. This guy's sitting there. He knows how to party. Okay, just to give you guys an idea of the traffic here, look at this. Like trying to make it down there. And listen, you're thinking, man, there's no parking on the street. Where do I park? Oh, I got an idea. You just pull up on the sidewalk. You know, why not? Yeah, you just, you know, I don't know, pull up on the sidewalk, make sure you got room. Okay, I'm gonna try to get home safe. Talk to you guys in a bit. Okay guys, we're at Jazz Bar with Michaela and we're ordering for Festiva Domani. Festiva Domani.
Sì,
oyster. Oyster, come si dice oyster? Oyster, ostrich, 60...
60 ostriche
sì.
e 60 fasolari.
What he said. All right, we're getting ready for a party at the house tomorrow. We're going to get 60 oysters and 60 clams. And this is the best place to go. Michaela at Jazz Bar. Michele Jacks.
Number one.
Number one. Jazz Bar. Today we're in Vico del Gargano and we're going to a trabucco, which is like a fishery, and the walkway here is unbelievable. Like, it's crazy just to drive down, but I just want to show you guys a quick view here. I mean, it's incredible. It's absolutely beautiful, and the food here is just delicious. And you're going to see really quick here before I run out of time, you see the fishery. So they literally put the nets out, and then you're going to eat what they catch that day. So it's 1 day old, it's fresh, it's delicious. We're coming here for lunch, so the fish was caught just several hours ago, and it's going to be great. I'll send you guys some pictures, and we'll come up with some great recipes, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Okay, we're just about to eat. I just want to show you guys the view here. Unbelievable. We got the best seat in the house. We're going to have a nice view of the sea. I'll take some pictures of the food. It's going to be great. Thanks for joining me. Here we go.
I like when there's like a little bit of white wine Yeah, but I think I need something to drink.
No. It's okay. I'm gonna wash it down so I don't.